So what we're looking at here is young Blackwood, and it's got some indication of grubs in it. So what you do, you snap it in half, and yeah, down in there is a witchetty grub. We'll see if we can get him out. Yeah, I managed to get hold of him. There he is. Oops, I dropped him. So there you go. Good tucker. Yeah, so here we've got another example of Blackwood with witchetty grubs in it. They've moved down in there a bit, but you can see that's the technique to look for them in a rotten Blackwood stem. There's another one, he'd be in there. And there's another one. And this one, not too sure what's going on there. I think he's hatched out and gone. That's the adult sort of shell. So just a matter of pinch him on the head and bite him off. Yum. Don't swallow the head, he might chew a hole in your belly. Absolutely delicious. Should be more of it.